Hey guys, it's about 1 in the morning. I feel like getting a late night treat. I see the Roti guy back here, so let's go get some. Swadika. Can I get a Roti, egg, banana?
Yeah. One, sir?
Just one? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's see how he makes it. It's okay if I videotape? Yeah. It's late, but you know, it's okay, right? And you have chocolate too?
Yeah.
Can do, okay.
Thank you.
We're gonna watch the master at work here. I think we got a line waiting outside here. Are you guys gonna order? Yeah. Right on. That looks good. Can't wait. I asked for chocolate. Usually they do just the sugar. Oh, that looks so good. Oh yeah. Nice. Right on. Thank you, sir. Look at that beauty. Wow. Let's go over here. Don't get distracted. I go back home and enjoy this. See you guys.